secrets to keep. Breaking it down, making it right. Plants gonna grow, what a beautiful sight. Hey, hey. Hey kids, check the ground right under your feet. Soil ain't just dirt, it's a rock and roll beat. Rocks get cracked by the wind and the rain. Sun bakes them, ice breaks them, now soil's on the way. Dead leaves, tumble twigs and grass hit the floor. Old flowers, apple cores, even last week's chores. Organic matter piles up like a tasty snack. That's the fuel for the underground party pack. Tiny bacteria throw a microscopic bash, munching up the mess in a super fast flash. They turn brown gunk in a black gold, so fine. Invisible heroes working overtime. Here comes Steve the Earthworm, wiggling through the soil. He eats dirt every day. He makes tunnels that help the soil stay loose. His castings add good stuff back into the ground. Air and water move better through the soil now. Annie the ant marches in with her squad. Benny the beetle chews up the rotten stuff. Not Polly the Pillbug curls in a shiny gray ball. All these soil bugs answer the breakdown call. They chew it, poop it, mix it, flip it around. Organic matter's gone, nutrients raining down. Nitrogen, phosphorus, all the good stuff unlocked. Soil's getting rich while the whole crew rocks. Plants need the soil to stretch their roots down deep. Water to sip and air so they don't sleep. Sunshine above turns green leaves into power. Thanks to Steve and the crew. Now watch them flower. Soil's alive, dig it deep. Worms and bugs got the secrets to keep. They're breaking it down, making it right. Plants gonna grow, what a beautiful sight.
Hey, awesome moms and dads, if you and your kids just rocked out and learned something cool with the learning noise, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with all your parent crew. That way you'll get access to all our songs, new drops every week, full playlists, and never miss a single jam. Thanks for being part of the noise. Now let's keep the party loud and the learning loud too. See you in the next song.